We are here to introduce you to a small regeneration system electronic device called SRS. The small regeneration system is the patented electronic device that rejuvenates old batteries, maintains working batteries in optimal condition, and extends battery life. The small regeneration system will work in any lead acid battery. Lead acid battery are typically used in golf carts, boats, forklifts, and many other applications. In this instruction video, we will talk about understanding batteries and a small regeneration system, connecting and using the small regeneration system, testing for a bad battery, rejuvenating old batteries, and recording your progress. To understand how the small regeneration system works, we must first understand how lead acid battery works. Lead acid battery consists of three basic elements, and there are plates made of lead, sulfuric acid, and plates made of lead oxide. For illustration purposes, the battery and its animation only consists of one lead plate, sulfuric acid, and one lead oxide plate. Let us first talk about when lead acid battery is discharged. When the battery is discharged, sulfuric acid reacts to the lead, releasing electricity, leading lead sulfuric crystals and in mostly water solution. When a battery is recharged, the lead sulfuric crystals break apart and the system returns to lead, sulfuric acid solution and lead oxide. So what is the problem? Why batteries failed prematurely? During recharge, most of the lead sulfuric crystals are reconverted back into lead oxide in sulfuric acid solution, but its small amount of the lead sulfuric remains in crystal form. Every time the battery is discharged and charged, more of these crystals are deposited on the plates. These crystals interfere with the flow of electricity. The battery will take longer to charge and a charge will last less time. The small regeneration system electronic device uses patented technology to take care of this problem. It sends a radio signal that matches the frequency of lead sulfuric crystals. This dissolves sulfuric crystals that accumulate on the plates, returning battery to its original condition. Connecting the SRS is very simple. In a single battery, first identify the positive battery terminal. Connect red wire from the SRS to this positive battery terminal. Then identify the negative battery terminal. Connect the black wire from the SRS to this negative battery terminal. Next we will demonstrate connecting the SRS to its system with multiple batteries. The SRS can be used in multiple batteries are connected in series on parallel. To connect the SRS to its system with multiple batteries, you must first determine the first and last battery. The first and last batteries are the same batteries that the charging source is connected to. Connect the red wire from the SRS to the positive battery terminal of the first battery. Then connect the black wire from SRS to the negative terminal of last battery. Once you connected the SRS, simply use the battery system as normal. Be sure to charge the system regularly. Small regeneration system is not able to rejuvenate a battery that has an open cell. We always instruct and testing for this condition before you start rejuvenating an old battery or battery system. There is only one or couple of bad batteries in the system with multiple batteries and you plan on using the SRS, you only have to replace the bad batteries with another used or new battery. To test for a bad battery, charge the battery system until this completely charged. Remove charger. If you have a system with multiple batteries, disconnect the batteries from each other. Let the battery or batteries sit for 8 to 10 hours. This is to remove the surface charge. Using a voltmeter, measure the voltage of each battery. Discharge that is found in the instruction manual. For example, if the battery is a 12 volt battery and the voltage is below 10.6 volts, it is a bad battery and it needs to be replaced. Rejuvenating old batteries. The small regeneration system can rejuvenate old lead acid batteries that do not have an open cell. Before starting this process, please follow the procedure to test for a bad battery. The key to rejuvenating a battery or battery system with SRS is to cycle the batteries with SRS attached. Cycle is a full charge, then discharge. With every cycle, the SRS will be gradually dissolving to solve the crystals. Depending on the aging condition to the battery or battery system, it can take from 3 to 15 cycles to completely rejuvenate them. Bigger batteries and battery system may take longer. In many cases, for example, a golf cart, solar wind and forklift application, you can simply connect the SRS and use the battery system as normal charging after every use. This will allow for easy, carefree cycling of the battery system and effective rejuvenation. After you have tested for a bad battery, connect the SRS to the battery or battery system, then fully charge. Once the battery is fully charged, disconnect or turn off the charger. Next, you need to discharge the battery system. The SRS does use power from the battery properly, so you can just leave the SRS attached for 18 to 24 hours to discharge. If you would like to speed up the process, attach a load to the battery system to speed up to discharge. Repeat the steps until the battery or battery system reaches optimum condition.